Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Swing up the fan. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot on the motherboard. At an angle, gently insert the memory module into its slot on the motherboard. Press the memory module down to latch the arms. Swing down the fan. Route the fan cable through the routing channel on the heatsink.